If you have been importing products from China using 168 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to simply order wholesale goods directly from China factory using 168 Chinese shopping app. So let's find out. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I will show you on how to order wholesale goods directly from Chinese factory on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's find out. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your 1688 shopping app. Click on here to open up your 1688 Chinese shopping app. Having opened up your 1688 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to click on here to contact direct factory. Then you'll be taken right here. Any products you see right here are factory direct from different manufacturer across China. One other thing you need to take note when you are dealing with factory is this particular icon right here. This icon here symbolizes direct factory from China. You can also come to the top right here, click on this particular icon right here. You see so many factory under this particular icon. So here you will see different factory with different manufacturing types of products. The more you scroll down, the more you see a lot of direct factories right here. You can connect with any one of them right here and get your product at a very cheap price. So the more you scroll down, the more you see different factories of different manufacturer of different types of goods right here. So let's simply go back. Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to use a particular factory as an example, and bear in mind, for you to identify a direct factory, make sure you take a look at this particular icon. So this is the icon that justifies every direct factory that's set at wholesale price in China on 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's take a look at the particular factory I want to buy wholesale product from there, from China, using 1688 Chinese shopping app. So take a look at this particular factory right here, just like what you see right here, and you can see their icon right here. Now this particular factory here are the ones I want to purchase from them. You can come down below right here and see more products in their store right here. Okay, now here I need this particular product right here. So first of all, we need to make sure we have the product to cart, and for us to do that, we simply click on here, and this is going to open up. Then here you have to select the color, the sizes from this particular section right here. So I need this particular one right here. I need 90 centimeter. So I need just one. So bear in mind, not every factory that sell wholesales also require you to buy in large quantity. Some factory can sell even one pieces to you. It depends on their terms of service and the way and manner you negotiate with them. Once you select the product, click on here to add it to cart. After a successful add the product to cart, next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on this particular icon right here to fill our cart. So the product is going to be found right here, as you can see right here. So I have already had another product which make it 2. So next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on here to select everything. Now we have it right here. So the next thing we want to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So I'm going to simply click on here now to proceed to checkout. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. Then here I enter my payment password. Payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this pump up. And I have to go back to my profile, go back, Then for me to visit my profile, I need to click on here. By the time I refresh my profile, the product we just buy from the factory is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. Refresh again. Then we have it right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using 168 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.